you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. Welcome to my new home tour. Super excited to be posting this video and showing you guys the new chapter in my life, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. Before we get into the video, you guys know the drill. Get your cup of tea, get your snacks, get comfy, get the blankets, get the candles, and I love you all so much and I really hope you enjoy it. Before we jump into the video as well, I'm so excited to say that this video is kindly sponsored by DESENIO. You guys know I've loved DESENIO prints for so long, so the fact they're sponsoring this video is just insane. Thank you so much. I'm going to be talking a little bit about DESENIO before we actually get into the house tour, because I've got some amazing new prints just here which I have been dying to show you, and I've also got a 25% off discount code which is only valid for 2 days. So I want to show you some of the prints that I've styled my home with, so in case you guys are looking to purchase some prints, you can enjoy 25% off as well. So get comfy and I really hope you enjoy it. So here are my gorgeous new prints from DESENIO. I am so unbelievably happy with these. I wanted to go for something a little bit different, hence why I picked the gold frame, which is also from DESENIO. So what I'm going to do in the description box is I'm going to write the names of each of these posters just so you know exactly which ones they are in case you are interested in purchasing the same ones as me. And also, you already know I've got a discount code for you. It's Gemma Louise Miles 25. It's valid from this Tuesday until Thursday, so from April the 2nd until April the 4th. If you are struggling for inspiration, what kind of prints would suit your house, what kind of colours to go for, what kind of like frames to go for, sizes, everything like that, definitely check out the inspiration part on DESENIO. If you see sort of like a colour palette or a style that you like, you can actually click on the photo and it comes up with all of the prints used on that photo and the frame, so you can either buy them all or you can mix and match or you can pick a few. So I just thought that was an amazing little feature and I'm so happy with how they look. I also have this print in the kitchen, which is one of my favourite quotes. DESENIO have some amazing quotes. There's actually a section that you can look at all of their quotes on the website. I just think this is so simple and everyone that comes into my house always reads it and they're like, that's really true. And I'm like, I know. And then last but definitely not least, I have these 3 posters in the bedroom. Again, I've gone for some quotes and then I've gone for this little feathery dream print in the middle because it's in the bedroom and I just think it goes in with like all of the decor really nicely. I literally live by these quotes. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go and see what happens. We are a negative-free zone up in here, so hence all of the positivity quotes. I almost forgot to show you, I also purchased another print and frame from DESENIO, but I haven't found a place for this yet. This sounds a little bit silly, but I wanted something to look at and almost get lost in the picture a little bit so I could find creativity, just get myself into a really relaxed state of mind. They have an incredible amount of choice on the website. As always, I'm going to link the website in the description box below. Don't forget that I have a 25% off discount code, Gemma Louise Miles 25, and it runs out on Thursday, so please take advantage of it. It's time for the house tour. I feel nervous. So this is my front door. Your gal's got a peepee hole. Do you understand how long I've wanted one of these? Because this little hole right here means I can selectively choose whether or not I want to open the door, which to me is a massive plus. As you walk through the front door, you are immediately in the kitchen, which I love. It's so open plan. Now, when I first moved in, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit like scared of the wood. Does that make sense? I think because I was so used to having a very neutral house, when there was wood and cream, I was like, oh my actual gosh, how do I style this? So through there is just a little bathroom, which is basically got my coats and a load of other stuff in there at the moment. So I'm not going to show you in there, but there's literally just a toilet and a sink and a mirror, so it's not that interesting. So as you walk in, I've got obviously my DESENIO quote over here. And then I have my clock. Oh my gosh, you guys are never going to believe this. This clock was £5 from B&M. £5 from B&M. Bloody, I am the bargain hunter, let me tell you. What I immediately loved about this house is there's spotlights. I just think, I don't know, I'm a sucker for a spotlight. It makes it It's an old building, but it feels so modern. So over here is obviously like the main little cooking area. So I thought I'm gonna go for all cream, like all cream, flowers, minimalist. I don't like a lot of stuff, especially on worktops. Like I'm a little bit OCD like that. So when I bought the toaster and kettle, I was so happy because I was a little bit scared that it was going to be a slightly different cream to the cupboards, but it actually works really, really well. And then I've just got some stacking cups on here as well, which are from Next. Got some little baby espresso ones and then some big ones as well, because you guys know I can't live without coffee. When I said I live in the middle of nowhere, I literally mean I live in the middle of nowhere. So it's really nice in the mornings because you can hear all the birds and everything. Like this house is just so peaceful. I definitely want to change the blinds. I'm not a fan of a roller blind. I only actually moved in about a month ago, so this is by no means finished. So I just wanted to give you guys a kind of like a house tour, but don't think that it's finished. Like those blinds are going. I think some nice white Venetian blinds will look cute there. And then on this side of the kitchen, we've just got a little kind of like counter here. We've got a wine fridge. Don't actually think it's got any wine in it. No, we've got pink gin in it. That'll do, right? Then burning over here, if you guys don't know about this Yankee candle, please go out and purchase it right away. It's insane. One thing that was super annoying is the broadband little port was over here and the nearest plug is there. So I've had to almost like channel a wire by myself. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've stuck it on there with some frog tape. But yeah, that kind of annoys me because I hate wires, but there's literally nothing I can do about it. So that's gonna have to stay there for now. And then moving over here, we've got the dining area. This is pretty much where I sit and do all of my work. Like I said, this is so peaceful. So I usually sit here with my laptop and just like stare out the window and usually just daydream for half the day, but hey. Again, new blinds over here. When I bought this dining table, I didn't like it. Like I was really, really stuck what kind of dining table would actually look nice in this style of kitchen. So if you guys can think of anything that would look a bit nicer, let me know, or let me know whether you actually like this, but I think that's gonna go. It was from Oak Furniture Land, but I think I might sell it. I'm kind of thinking maybe a round glass table with like some buttoned stone chairs, I think would look gorge, but I'm not entirely sure. Another thing that I absolutely loved were the radiators. So they're long. I just think it makes it, again, look so modern. How stunning is this weather, by the way? Like, spring has officially sprung. Spring and autumn are my favorites. I just think everything just seems so much happier, and I don't know, I'm excited for like the next few months. So yeah, I'm gonna stop making you stare out the window now. Next room. So when you go through to here, this is the living room. Now, my gorgeous sofa, which I'm absolutely in love with, this is from the Sofa Club. I will pop in the description box exactly which sofa this is. Now, this was kindly gifted to me, so thank you so much, Sofa Club. In this room, it's a very awkward shaped room. Originally, I wanted the sofa in this corner. But when the sofa came, I didn't measure it properly and it literally came up to about here and I was like, oh my gosh. So this is the only place it can go because it doesn't fit in this corner. At first, I kind of had a little bit of a meltdown, not gonna lie, because it covered up a little bit of the fireplace and I just didn't feel like the room flowed very well. But now I've kind of got used to it. It's actually really, really nice. So, if you are wondering where anything is from, I'll try and cover everything that I think you guys are going to ask about. But if you are wondering where something else is from, just pop it in the comments and I'll try and get back to as many as I can. So this rug was an absolute bargain. Again, I told you I'm a bargain hunter. It was from QD and it was £20 and it is the softest little rug ever. From over here, we've obviously got my gorgeous prints from DESENIO. The garden is out there, which I'm going to show you in a moment. Can't wait. You guys are going to love the garden so much. And then I've got the TV over here on a little stand. My gorgeous footstool is from i4 Design. It's an Instagram page. Elaine is amazing and she makes bespoke like furniture. So if you want anything made, just pop over to there. So yeah, what can go on this wall, guys? Because I literally have no idea. First of all, I had like a big standing mirror and it just, oh, it really didn't look right. So I'm thinking maybe, do I get some more prints from DESENIO? Do I put a mirror there? Like, what do you think would look nice there? You guys are like secret little interior designers, so I'm looking forward to seeing what you think. I haven't lit the fire yet because I don't really fancy burning down the house. So I might do that one day. Maybe I'll film it. Maybe I'll be like some kind of professional fire starter. You never know. So yeah, that's pretty much this room. I feel like it's very plain. I feel like I could do with a little bit more stuff in here. But yeah, let me know what you think will make this room a little bit more cozy, because I'm not gonna lie, at the moment this is my least favorite room just because I don't feel like it looks right. But yeah, like I said, sofa, I will find the exact make of this sofa and pop it in the description box below. This is one of the comfiest sofas ever and it really keeps its shape. I hate those sofas that you sit on and they lose their shape, but trust me, I've spent a lot of time on here in the past month and it hasn't lost its shape. I love, love, love the arms. This is like the sofa of dreams. I've always dreamt of having a sofa with buttoned arms. Does that make me weird? Okay, my loves. Have you got the snacks? Are you comfortable? Because we're about to go upstairs. I'm excited. So, got a little windy staircase up here. And then you've got a door here, and a door here. Let's do the... let's save the bedroom. Bedroom's my favourite room. So this room, I am actually really, really happy with. So my kind of plan for this room was like my dumping ground room, where I was going to throw all of like my PR packages and my work stuff, and it was going to be my filming room. But I'm actually really impressed with actually how nice it looks. So this is the most awkward ceiling in the entire world, and I was panicking what the hell I was going to do for a wardrobe. So I just thought I'll buy a temporary wardrobe from Argos. They're like £30. Kind of get that until I get some wardrobes made. Can I just tell you, getting wardrobes made is very expensive. Like, you're talking like thousands. What I did over here was I bought 2 racks from Argos. They were £20 each. So I've got 2 separate ones here. So one here and one here. And then I got this one from Argos as well. This is just a canvas wardrobe. Oh dear. I've just seen a problem. This is bowing, which is scary. So it's probably going to collapse any second soon, but I'd rather spend £30 than £3,000. A little chest of drawers from IKEA. Then over this side, I've got my gorgeous Hollywood mirror. This is from a company called Niches. They sell the most amazing priced Hollywood mirrors. Like, they're incredible. I love this so, so much. Let me put it on for you. But this is where I get ready every morning. I say every morning, I put makeup on like once a year. It was from B&M and it was £20. And it's an ottoman, so you can put storage in there as well, which for £20 is amazing. My dressing table was also from Lifestyle Furniture. Again, it's from my edit. I will link it in the description box below. Anything you see that's mirrored, like this, and a console table in the bedroom is all from Lifestyle Furniture. The beauty room / wardrobe room / filming room / stuff room. So as you go down the corridor, I am going to show you the bedroom because it's my favourite room of them all. Guys, this bedroom, it's something like, this is really weird, but when I was younger, like when I used to live at mum, I used to like dream of a bedroom like this, like everything just being like really like luxury looking, like creams and champagnes and mirrored and feathers. And let me put the light on so you can see it a bit better. Oh. And now I've got it, I'm just like, you really can make anything a reality. So my insane bed is from the Luxury Bed Company. This was kindly gifted, so thank you so much, Luxury Bed Company. I am obsessed. You've made my bedroom goals come true. Description box, I will write exactly which bed this is and the fabric and the colour. So if you're interested in getting a bed that's the same, you don't get the wrong one, basically. Did that make any sense? I'm not even sure. So I got this gorgeous footstool as well, which I just think looks amazing at the end of the bed. I went for a double Could have gone for a king size, but I was a little bit worried that it would like take over the room. But I'm actually really happy with how the double looks. So this little throw at the end was from Primark and it was £10. It was in a haul a few months ago. My bed sheets are actually from very.co.uk. Very is so underrated. They have so many amazing like home decor bits. So from Very was this throw, these cushions, so the long cushion and these square ones. These feathery cushions were from Zara, which Soph got me for Christmas, which, oh my god, they're so amazing. The bigger ones were from the range. And yeah, and my bed sheets, my plain white bed sheets were actually from Tesco's. And then my bedside tables were also from Very. And my lights. Bloody hell. This video is not sponsored by Very. And then my little flower boxes over there were from the range. So yeah, on the windowsill I've just got a little flower box, and over this side I have got my big mirror. This is pretty much the only place in the house that it would actually fit because of the ceiling. And then over this side of the room I've got another little mirrored console table, again from Lifestyle Furniture, and a little TV. Well, I'll definitely go as far as saying this is my favourite room. Okay everyone, you're not ready for the bathroom. You're just not ready. I feel like when I looked around this house, I was almost sold, but the bathroom, I was like, yeah, I need this bathroom in my life. You guys know I love a bath. Mind the 7,000 dressing gowns I've got on there. So let's start over this side. So toilet and sink, interesting. Little towel heater thing. And then we look at the window, look at the shutters. Oh my god, so cute. And then we come into the bathroom. Baths in here are unreal. So again, I've gone for very minimal in here. I wanted to go for like black and white because the tiles were obviously white and then the floor was black. I didn't want to put too much colour in here. So over here in the actual shower, so it's like a wet room shower, I have just got my Body Shop face mask, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. If you haven't tried this one, please try it, it's insane. And then I've just got a little jar of Lush bath bombs over there. Again, I'm obsessed with Lush bath bombs. On here I've got a little reed diffuser. This one's gorgeous, it's New York from Next. A little candle from HomeSense and some flannel. And then on the little shelf, these were actually from Primark. Again, they were in a haul a few months ago. And this candle I thought looked like a Jo Malone, but it's not, it's a HomeSense. So as promised, I'm going to show you the garden. So through this gate is the garden. How cute. So this bit's going to be gravelled. Gravelled? Is that the right word? Basically, it's going to be the same as that bit there. Not sure what that piece of fence is doing. That's through to my living room. And then got this cute little tree here, which I'm going to put some like bird feeders on so Tilly can watch the birds and stuff through that window. And then this is like a storage unit type thing. And then we've got the patio and the little garden up there. So I think I'm going to get some like garden furniture to go here. And at night it looks gorgeous because all of these little spotlights light up, and oh my god, it looks so cozy. And then this bit here, you can get to basically the drive. So there's a 3 parking space drive here. So instead of walking all the way around the house, because my front door is like here, so you have to walk all the way around the house to actually get in the house. So yeah, that's super cute. Me again, hello. This is really weird because I've actually filmed the intro and ending in a complete different day to what I filmed the home tour in, because I not want to put my face on camera on the day I filmed that home tour. I looked like I'd just been dragged through that actual hedge right outside my house. Like, no. That was not the day. I'm gonna link as much as I can in the description box below. What I will do is I'll pin a comment at the top of the comment section answering as many questions as I can where stuff's from. Because I didn't want to go through every little thing, otherwise this house tour would be like 20 years long. So yeah, love you all so much, and I'll see you in Sunday's video. Bye!
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know